Hi, hello, good evening, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Dear students, in yesterday's class, we have discussed about the arithmetic progressions, right? So, APN now start madidvi. In that class, we have discussed about what do you mean by arithmetic progression? So, it is a number sequence. Okay, here numbers are, or you can say terms are arranged in a particular sequence, in a particular order, right? So an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except first term. So first term is called as A or A1 and common difference. So fixed number means it is a common difference. So common difference can be denoted by the letter small d. And remember, common difference can be anything. That means it may be positive, it may be negative, or it may be a zero. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, right? And important, that is common difference D can be defined by using A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, A5 minus A4. Okay. So this is AN minus 1 equal to D. General form of arithmetic progression, that is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. This is the general one, AP. Remember, this is very, very, very important. Okay. Next one. Two types of APs are there. That is finite AP, infinite AP. If AP contains finite number of terms, that means it has last term, then we can say that AP is a finite AP. If it do not have a last term, then it is called as infinite AP. Then we have discussed about some problems, right? So what is if check whether it is AP or not. If it is AP, then write 3 more terms, 4 terms, right? And write first term, common difference D, right? And very, very important, that is we have discussed about the nth term of an AP. Okay, what is the formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. If nth term from the last n term, that means last term they have given. If we know the last term L, then we can use L minus N minus 1 into D. Remember, this is very, very, very important. And we have discussed some problems that is for 2 marks and 3 marks. Okay, this problem is for 3 marks. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? This was the last problem we have discussed, right? So in today's session, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Yes, hello, hi, good evening. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Today we'll discuss sum of first n terms of AP. Okay. Sum of first n terms of AP. Sum ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ that we call it as a sum, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ that we call it as a sum. Okay. So sum of n terms of an AP. First term A, common difference D. If we know first term A and common difference D, then we can use this formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು, ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂತು, ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ Sn means sum of n terms. Sn means sum of n terms. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ when we know the value of a and d, right? That time we can use this formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Remember, when the first and last terms of an AP are given, first term A and last term AN, or you can say last term L they have given, that time common difference is not given. Only A and L value they have given. That time we can use Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. This is the formula. ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂತು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ನೋಡೋಣ. See, now we are discussing about the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus 2 plus 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂತು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ? Yes. First, tell me general form of an arithmetic progression. We know that general form of an arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Right? This is the general form of an arithmetic progression. Yes or no? Of an AP. ಇಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಎ ಪಿ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸಿನ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸಿನ ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ. ಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2D, ರೈಟ್? ಇದೇ ತರ ನಾನು ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಲ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲ್. preceding term of the last term, L ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2D, ರೈಟ್? ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2D ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2D ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ, ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2D ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2D ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ, ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2D, ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3D ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2D, ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ, ಎಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2D. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದಿಂದಾನೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2D ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ? ಜನರಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2D ಅಪ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2D, ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋಣ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ, ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 2 SN, ರೈಟ್? ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲ್, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲ್, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೇನ್? ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಉಳಿಯತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ plus 2D minus 2D will get cancelled. A plus L, right? Next, here also minus 2d plus 2d will get cancelled. L plus A. Minus d plus d will get cancelled. L plus A. Here also L plus A. Right? L plus A. So now observe here 2Sn is equal to 2Sn is equal to A plus L, A plus L, A plus L, L plus A, L plus A, L plus A ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, right? So L plus A or A plus L, both are same. This I will write it as A plus L, A plus L, A plus L, A plus L, L plus A, both are same, right? Now, if I want to find out the sum for nth term, n terms ವರೆಗೂ ನನಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫೈನೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಪಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಪಿ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ now we are finding sum of n terms ವರೆಗೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, n into ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಿದೆ a plus l, right? n into a plus l, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ a plus l ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, so a plus l is common. So now we are finding sum of n terms, that is n into a plus l. Sum of two terms ಇದೆ 2 into a plus l, ಹಾಗೆ n into a plus l. Now I will transfer this 2 to this side. Then Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into a plus l. Right? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Now, dear children, remember when we know the value of first term and last term, that time we can use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. A ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, L ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, last term ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. That time we can use this formula. Remember this, I will call it as equation number 1 or formula 1. Next, last term means what? Last term is nothing but an only, right? So now hinde discuss ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ, so up to plus 78 plus 84 ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. So last term I will call it as an. A plus d, A plus 2d up to an, right? Up to an means last term is an. So here Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus, in place of L I will write an. Okay, if we know the value of a and an, that time we can use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Remember, this is also very, very important. Okay, this is formula 2. Next, an means what? We know the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? I will write Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus, in place of an, a plus n minus 1 into d ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? We know the formula of an, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into, how many a's are there? 2a, right? A plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Dear children, remember when we know the value of a, first term, and common difference d, and n term or Sn, that time we can use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our formula to find out sum of n terms. Remember, ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬರೀತೀವಿ a plus d, a plus 2d. ಸೊ l minus 2d, l minus d plus l. ಅದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ d plus d minus d plus 2d minus 2d. Then we'll get a plus l, a plus l, a plus l common. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ a plus l ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2Sn is equal to, now we are finding sum of n terms, n into a plus l. We'll transfer this 2 to this side, then n by 2 into a plus l. This is one formula. Next, if I substitute L is equal to AN, that means in place of L, we'll write AN. Then N by 2 into A plus AN. This is also another formula. In place of AN, we'll write the formula A plus N minus 1 into D. Two A's are there, N minus 1 into D. This is our formula to find out sum of N terms, right? Adinna illi heliddu. Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Next, when first and last terms they have given, then Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. When we know the value of A and An, that time Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus An. Understood? This is the formula. Next, by using this formula, we will find out sum of N terms. Find the sum of the following APs. 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. To 10 terms means N they have given, right? To 10 terms andre N they have given. Yen kelidare sum of the following anta kelidaga you need to use Sn, right? A value is 2. D value is A2 minus A1. That is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Next, N is 10. What we want? We want Sn, right? So here we know the value of A and D. So we can use the formula Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D, right? Sn we need to find out. N value is 10. 10 by 2 into 2 into A value is 2 plus N minus 1. 10 minus 1 into D. D value is 5. 2 ones are 2 fives. So 5 into 2 twos are 4 plus 9 into 5. 5 into 4 plus 45. 5 into 4 plus 45, that is 49. So 5 into 49, answer ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. $245. So this is our answer. This is the value of Sn, right? Understood? Shall we move to next problem? If you want, you can take the yes, 245. Okay. So next problem. 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 to 11 terms. This is also same. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? A value is 1 by 15. D value A2 minus A1. N they have given, that is 11. Right? N ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, that is 11. So ನನಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದನ A is equal to 1 by 15. ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ನೀವೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದನ. D is equal to A2 minus A1. 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So 12 and 15. LCM is 12 and 15 LCM ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 60, right? 12 and 15. 3 4s are 3 5s. 4 1s are 5 1s. So 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. That is LCM is 60. Now 12 5s are 60. 15 4s are 60, right? So here also into 5 into 4. 5 minus 4 divided by 60. 5 minus 4 is 1 by 60. So D value is 1 by 60, right? Next, N they have given, that is 11. What is which formula we need to use here? Dear children, here we know the value of A and also we know the value of D and N. So we can use Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into t, right? Sn value, we don't know. N value is 11, 11 by 12, and 2 into A value is 1 by 15, N value is 11 minus 1, D value is 1 by 60. Right? Next one. 11 by 12 into 2 into 1, that is 2 by 15, plus 11 minus 1, 10 by 60. Right? Right? 15 and 60. So 15 and 60, LCM is, sorry, 60. 15 and 60 ಇದೆ. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. In ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Sn is equal to 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Now, we need to find out the LCM of 15 and 6. 15 and 6 LCM ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3 5s are 3 2s are 2 1s are 2 5s are. Right? So 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 11 by 2 into 30. So here multiply by 2 and here 6 5s are 30. 4 plus 5. Right? 4 plus 5. So 11 by 2 into 4 plus 5, 9 by 30. 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. 2 1s are 2 5s are 5.5. 5.5 into 9 by 30. So 9 by 30, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 0, right? Into 3 by 10. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು? 5.5 into so it is 1.1, it is 2s. So 1.1 into 3 by 2. Right? 1.1 into 3 by 2. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 1.1 into 3, that is 3.3 divided by 2. Sn value is 3.3 divided by 2. This is our Sn value. Right? ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೂ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, or you can write this much only. If you want, I will repeat. See, first term is A here, right? A ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 by 15. So D ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? A2 minus A1. So A2 is 1 by 12. A1 is 1 by 15. 12 and 15 LCM is 60. So 1 into 5, 1 into 4. 5 minus 4, that is 1 divided by 60. This is the value of D. Now, N value is 11. Formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 11, n is 11. 11 by 2, 2 into 1 by 15 plus n value is 11 minus 1. D is 1 by 60. 11 by 2 into 1, 2 divided by 15 plus 11 minus 1, that is 10. 10 into 1, 10 divided by 60. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. LCM is 30, right? So into 2 into 5. 4 plus 5, that is 9. 9 by 30. 11 by 12, if I cancel it, 2 1s are 2, 5.5. 2 5s are 10. 1 will remain, will take point. Then 5. 5.5 into 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 0. 3 by 10. 1.1 into 3 by 2. So 1.1 into 3 is 3.3 divided by 2. Okay, this is the value of Sn. Next one. See, dear children, this one I will do. This is for your homework. Remember. Same ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. This one is for your homework and it is easy also. ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ. 7 plus 10 is to 1 by 2 plus 14 plus 84. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. A value is 7, then D value is A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 means A2 is 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 2 minus 7. 21 by 2 minus 7 is 21 minus 2 sevens are 14 divided by 2. 21 minus 14. That is 7 by 2. This is the value of D. Right? 7 by 2. Next, 84 plus 84. That means last term they have given. Last term. Or you can consider it as AN. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ L ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. That is 84. But we don't know N term, right? See here, in earlier problem, in kottidru up to 11 terms, up to 10 terms anta kotre, N they have given. But here we don't know N. Up to 84 terms anta kottilla. Up to 84. Up to 84 means last term. You can consider it as AN or AL. L is the last term, AN antanu helbodu. That means 84 they have given. So by using A, D and AN, we can find out N value. We can consider it as L or AN. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Right? ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ? We know the value of A, D and AN. So for find out N, we are using A plus N minus 1 into D. AN value is 84. A value is 7. N we don't know. N minus 1 into D value is 7 by 2. Okay. Now, transfer this 7 to this side. 84 minus 7. 84 minus 7 means it is N minus 1 into 7 by 2. ikkade irutte. 84 minus 7 means ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಿದು 77. 77 is equal to N minus 1 into 7 by 2. Now, we'll transfer this 2 to this side. 77 into is equal to N minus 1 into 7. Right? Into 7. So 77 into 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14 plus 1. That is 154 is equal to 7N minus 7. 7 into N, 7N minus 7. Now we'll transfer the 7 to this side. 154 plus 7 is equal to 7. That is 161. 154 plus 7 is 161 is equal to 7N. Transfer the 7 to this side. 161 divided by 7 is equal to N. 7 1s are 7 2s are 14. 2 will remain 21. 7 3s are 21. So N value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 23. Right? 23. N value is 23. Now, what we want? We want SN value. See dear children, here A value ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. AN value, you can consider it as last term also. ಇದನ್ನ L ಅಂತಾನೆ consider ಮಾಡೋಣ. Last term ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡೋಣ. Or you can take AN also. AN ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. AN ಅಂತಾನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Okay. ಈಗ ನಾವು SN ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Sum of N terms. That means SN is equal to, here we know the value of A and AN. So we can use the formula SN is equal to N by 2 into A plus AN. Okay. A plus AN. Yes, dear children, N value is 23 divided by 2 and A value is 7. AN value is 84. Right? 23 divided by 2. 7 plus 84. 7 plus 84 is 91. So 23 into 91 divided by 2. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತಿದು? 23 divided by 2 into 91. ಸೊ 23 into 91 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. 23 into 91. 23 into 91. Yes, 23 into 91, that is 2093. 2093 divided by 2. 2093 divided by 2 means ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. 2093 2 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. We'll take 20. 2 9s are, so 2 1s are, 2 1s are 2, 0 0 9, 2 here 0, 2 4s are 8, 1 3. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ. 2 6 are 12, 13 minus 12, that is 1. 104612 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಇದನ್ನ. 1046, remainder is 1 and it is 2. 1046 into 1 by 2. This is our final answer. If you want, ಇದನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1046 is to 1 by 2. This is the value of SN. This is for your homework. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ, A value they have given, that is -5. D value is -8 minus of -5, that is -8 plus 3 minus, sorry, this is 5 -3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. L, or you can consider it as AN. AN value -230. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು n/2 into a plus an ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ SN. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ನಾನು ಹಿಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ an AP given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. Yes, dear children, A nanna kottidare, A nanna find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A they have given, D they have given, AN they have given. We need to find out N and SN. Same ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನಂತ, A and D value they have given. Right, A value is 5 and D value is 3. AN value they have given, that is 50. What we want N and SN. Again same thing. Illu kuda namge AN gottide but N gottilla. We don't know the value of N. Again we'll use the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN value is 50 is equal to 5 plus N we don't know, N minus 1 into D. D value is 3. Okay. Next, 50, transfer this 5 to this side. Minus 5 is equal to 3N minus 3. Right? 50 minus 5. 45 is equal to 3N minus 3. Transfer this minus 3 to this side. 45 plus 3 is equal to 3N. 45 plus 3 is 48. 48 is equal to 3N. So N value is 48 divided by 3. 3 1s are, 1 will remain, 18. 3 6 are 18. So N value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ 16. Find N value is 16. Next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, SN find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ, SN value, SN is equal to, dear children, ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, AD and AN. So directly we can use SN is equal to N/2 into A plus AN. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ A ಮತ್ತೆ AN ಗೊತ್ತಿರತ್ತೆ, A ಮತ್ತೆ L ಗೊತ್ತಿರತ್ತೆ, that time we can use n by 2 into a plus an. N value is 16. 16 by 2 into a value is 5. An value is 50. 16 by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 8s. 8 into 55. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 8 into 55. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 44. 440. This is the value of SN. Right? Understood? So wait for a minute. Okay. Next one. Finished? Have you taken? Shall I run? Next ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? See, A12 is equal to 37. D is equal to 3. Find A and S12. A we don't know. First term we need to find out and S12 we need to find out. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ? A12 is equal to 37. Okay, A12 is equal to 37. And common difference D they have given, that is 3. What we want? We want A value and also S12 value. Right? First, observe carefully. A12 is equal to 37 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? A12 means it is the value of n. 37 means it is the value of an. Right? A12, 12th term ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 37. 12th term means 12 is the value of n. Right? So we can use an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? An means an value is 37. Directly we will write. A value is, we don't know, plus n value is 12 minus 1 into d value is 3. 37 is equal to a plus 11 into 3. 37 is equal to a plus 33. Transfer this 33 to this side. 37 minus 33 is equal to a. 37 minus 33 is 4 is equal to a. That means value of a ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ a ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಯ್ತು. a ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, a ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Dear children, a value we know. ನಮಗೆ a ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಯ್ತು. Next, we know the value of an also. An value is 37. Now, we will use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Why? Because we know the value of a and also we know the value of an. N ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 12. Because S12 we want. S12 means it is the value of n. Right? 12 divided by 2 into a value is 4. 4 plus 37. 12, 2 ones are 2 6 are. 6 into 37 plus 4. That is 41. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 6. 246. This is the value of S12. Easy. This is for 2 marks. Easy. Have you taken? Shall we move to next question? Okay. See, this is very, very important problem. ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ? A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. Find n and an. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ? n and an. So, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. Illi here they have given A, D, right? And also they have given Sn. That means here we need to use the formula Sn is equal to A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90 they have given, but we don't know the value of N and also we don't know An, right? If A and D we know, that time Sn is equal to Sn anna kottidare. So we can use Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Why? Because we know the value of a and d, right? Sn value is 90. This is important problem. N by 2, n we don't know, into 2 into a value is 2 plus n minus 1 into d value is 8, right? Transfer this 2 to this side. 90 into 2 is equal to n into 2 2s are 4 plus 8 into n, 8n minus 8. 90 into 2, that is 180, is equal to n into 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. 8n minus 4. 8n minus 4. ಇವಾಗ 180 is equal to 8n into n, that is 8n square minus n into 4, 4n, right? 8n square minus 4n. Now we'll transfer this 180 to this side. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0, right? 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. Yes, here 8, 4 and 180. All three numbers are divisible by 4, right? 4, 4, 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. 2 will remain. 4 fives are 20. That means ಏನು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Right? 45 is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation. So, we can solve by factorization method. Factorization method ಅನ್ನ use ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ 2 into 45, a into c, that is 2 into 45 is 90. Again, 90 means product should be 90 and middle term ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ -1 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ which numbers I need to choose here? That is 10 into 9. 10 9s and 90. 10 minus 9, that is 1, right? Minus 10 plus 9, that is 1. Minus 10 plus 9 is 1. 10 into 9, that is 90. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. Right? Next, 2n square minus 10n. Which term is common here? N is common. N bitre 2 is also a common. So 2n is common. N minus 5. Wait for it. Okay. N minus 5 plus here 9 is common. N minus 9 5s are 45, 0. So n minus 5 is one factor. 2n minus 2n plus 9 is another factor. N minus 5 is equal to 0. 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. N is equal to, transfer this 5 to this side, then it is plus 5. 2n is equal to minus 9. N is equal to minus 9 divided by 2. That means we got two values here. So n is equal to 5 anta one value, n is equal to minus 9 by 2 anta one value. So we'll take positive value. Find n anta helidare, n is equal to 5, n is equal to minus 9 by 2. So ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, n is equal to 5 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. n ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, n find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, an ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ an ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d ಅನ್ನೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So dear children, what we want, n value will take it as 5. So a5 is equal to, a value is 2 plus 5 minus 1 into d value is 8, right? a5 is equal to 2 plus 4 into 8. 2 plus 4 into 8, that is 2 plus 32, that is 34. This is the value of a5. a5 means an, right? an value ide. So n means it is 5 only. an is 5, a5 value is 34. This question is for 3 marks. Remember. So ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Yes, shall we move to next question? Have you taken? Any doubt is there? Next ಏನಿದೆ, so this is very, very, very important problem. ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಕೂಡ. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, okay, and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, and that of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. So wait for a minute. Yes. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ? Sum of first 7 terms. First 7 terms of an AP is 49 means S7 they have given. Sum ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು S ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. SN. Sum of 7 terms, S7. Sum of 9 terms, S9. Sum of n terms, sum of n terms means SN, right? S7 they have given, that's equal to 49. And that of 17 terms is 289. S17 they have given 218, right? What we want? We want find the sum of first n terms. Okay. First we'll solve S7 is equal to 14. S7 means n value is 7. Sn value is 14, right? Now we'll use Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So ಇದನ್ನ note down ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Okay. Sn value, S7 means Sn value is 49. They have given 49. N value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 7 by 2 into 2a value we don't know. N value is 7 minus 1 into d. Right? Into d. 49. 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into d, 6d. Okay. Now transfer this 7 to this side. 7 to this side bandre enagate 49 divided by 7 is equal to 2a plus 6d. So between 2a plus 6d, which term is common? 2 is common. 2a ಮತ್ತೆ 6d ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 ಕಾಮನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ 2 ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, 2 into 2a ಅಲ್ಲಿ a 2 ಅನ್ನ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ a plus 3d will remain in the bracket divided by 2, right? 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What you will get? 7 ones are 7 sevens. 7 is equal to 7 is equal to a plus 3d. Right? 7 is equal to a plus 3d. This I will call it as equation number 1. So, yake two variables nanu gottilla, a matte d, right? So, I will call this as equation number 1. Next, we'll solve this one. Again, Sn is equal to 2a, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ? If you want, you can write n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn value is 289 is equal to n value is 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. Right? 17 minus 1 into d. 289. Again transfer this 17 to this side, then divided by 17 is equal to 17 by 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1, 16, 16 into d, right? Now, we'll shift the 17 to this side. 289 divided by 17 is equal to, here 2 is common. Again, I will take 2 outside. 2 divided by 2, a plus 8d, right? 2 8s are 16. Now, 17 in the divide agata anta check ಮಾಡಿ 17 ones 17 28 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 17 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 11 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ so 119 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 17 sevens right 17 is equal to 2 and 2 will get cancelled a plus 8d. This I will call it as equation number 2. Yes, dear children, which method we are going to use now? Elimination method, right? So from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, equation 1 is a plus 3d is equal to 7 and equation 2 is a plus 8d is equal to 70. Now I will change the signs. Why? Because a and a will get cancelled. 3 minus 8d. 3 minus 8d is minus 5d is equal to 7 minus 70 minus 10. So d is equal to minus and minus will get cancelled. 10 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So d value is 2. D value is 2. Next, in madana, we'll substitute this d value. Substitute d value in equation 1. Okay, if you want, you can substitute in equation 2 also. Then also you will get same answer only. So a plus 3d is equal to 7. A plus 3d, a plus 3 into d value is 2 is equal to 7. A plus 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6. A is equal to 1. Right? A is equal to 1. What we want? We want Sn. We need to find out first n terms, sum of first n terms. That means we can use, so here I will do. Okay. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know the value of a and also we know the value of d. So Sn is equal to n by 2. N we don't know. We need n only. Right? 2 into a value is 1 plus n minus 1 into d value is 2. N by 2 into 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into n, 2n, 2 into 1 minus 2, right? Plus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. N by 2 into 2n, right? n into 2n, that's equal to 2n square divided by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What you will get? Sn is equal to n square. Sn is equal to n square. Sum of first n terms. So this question is for 3 marks. Remember, 3 marks. Okay. Have you taken? So one thing we need to remember is n ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರ, ಎ ಎನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರ. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 7 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 7 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ 7 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್ 7 is equal to 14. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನಂತ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್ 17 is equal to 289, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಬೈ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Again you will get second equation. By using elimination method, a and a will get cancelled, will get d value, right? Now substitute the value of d in equation 1, then you will get the value of a. So now we know the value of a and d. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A value is 1, d value is 2, n value we don't know. N divided by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. N into 2n, that is 2n square divided by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Sn is equal to n square, right? This is for 3 marks. Very, very important problem. Have you taken? Shall we move to next question? Yes. Next one. ಈ ತರಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಿದೆ? See. Show that A1, A2, A3 is equal to, wait for a minute. Show that A1, A2, A3 up to AN form an AP where AN is defined as below. AN is equal to 3 plus 4n and AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ನಂಬರ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 plus 4n. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಸಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. an value they have given. An is equal to 3 plus 4n. Yes, dear children. First term is called as A or A1, right? A1 ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೇಗೆ? By substituting n is equal to 1. n is equal to 1 ಅಂತ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get A1 value, right? n is equal to 1 means 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 4. That's equal to 7, right? Next, if I want A2 value ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ what I need to do? I need to substitute n is equal to 2. That means A2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. 4 into 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 plus 8, that's equal to 11. Right? Next, A3 ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ n is equal to 3. 3 plus 4 into 3. 3 plus 4 3s are 12. 3 plus 12, that's equal to 50. Right? A4, 3 plus 4 into 4. 3 plus 16, that's equal to 90. ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇದನ್ನ? we don't know the value of A1 ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ. So n is equal to 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ A1 ಬೇಕು. Why we are doing A2, A3, A4? To calculate D, right? ಡಿ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, right? So for that reason, we are calculating A2, A3 and A4. Now, we'll find out the value of D, right? First, ನಾವೇನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ AP or not. ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹೇಗೆ? A2 minus A1. A2 value is 11 minus 7, that's equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4. A3 minus A2. A3 value is 15 minus 11, that's equal to 4. A4 minus A3, that's equal to 19 minus 15, that's equal to 4. That means common difference is same, right? So ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು common difference ಇವಾಗ? D is equal to 4 and first term A value is 7. A1 and A both are same, right? A1 ಅಂದ್ರೇನು first term, A ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ first term. So A value is 7 and D value is 4. Next, what we want? We want sum of first 15 terms. Sum of first 15 terms means yes, 15 we want, right? So for that, we need to use Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, 15 we want, right? That means n value is 15. 15 divided by 2 into a value is 7 plus n minus 1 into d. N minus n is 15. 15 minus 1 into d value is 4. 15 by 2 into 2 sevens are 14 plus 14 into 4. Right? 15 by 2 into 14 plus 14 fours are ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 56. Right? 14 plus 56. 15 by 2 into 14 plus 56 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 14 plus 56 is 6, 7. That is 70. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 1 remain. 2 5s are 10. 50, 35. So 15 into 35. 15 into 35 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ. 15 into 35. ಎಸ್, ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 15 into 35. Yes. I'm waiting for your answers. 15 into 35. 525. Yes, very good. That is 535. 525 is the value of S50. 525. Understood? Understood? Yes, very good. Very good. Next problem ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, 9 minus 5n. Yes, dear children, ಇದು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ? ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ 9 minus 5n. ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ A1, A2, A3, A4. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ. A1, A2, A3, A4 ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, ರೈಟ್? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ A1 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ A. Next, again use Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Wait for a minute. One ನಿಮಿಷ. Right? So, try ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay. Yes, very good, very good. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ. ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Sum of Rs 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students for a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is Rs 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prize. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 700. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Rs 700. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 700 rupees ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ 7 ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್. ಸೊ 7 ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 7 ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಆ 7 ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 700 rupees ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize. See, for example, 100 is first prize. 100 rupees ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 20 rupees less than its preceding price. That means next prize, second prize is 80 rupees. Next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 60 rupees. Next to 40 rupees. Next to 20 rupees. Right? Have you got my point? First prize is 100, then second prize 20 less than the preceding price. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಗಿಂತ 20 rupees ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಗಿಂತ 20 rupees ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 20 rupees ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಗಿಂತ 20 rupees ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 700 rupees ಇದೆ. ಈ 700 rupees ಅನ್ನ 7 ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫೈಂಡ್ ಈಚ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದನ್ನ? ಸಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ A. Okay, first prize will consider it as A. First prize is, let first prize be A. Right? Next prize ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 20 less than the first prize. That means second prize is A minus 20. Yes or no? Third prize ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Third prize is A minus 40, right? If A is 100, then next is A minus 20. Next ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? A minus 40 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 100 minus 40, that is 60, right? So third prize is A minus 20. Right? Next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Then what is the value of D? D ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ A2 value is A minus 20 minus A. Right? First prize is A, second is A minus 20. A2 minus A1 plus A and minus A will get cancelled. So this is the value of D, that is minus 20. Right? Next. 7 prizes are there. 7 prizes are there means N value they have given, that is 7. Okay. And total amount, sum of Rs 700. Sum of ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ S7, Sn value they have given, that is S7. Sum of 7 cash prizes. So S7 they have given 700. Right? So ಇಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. S7 is equal to 700, right? Next, so we'll use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Sn value is 700 is equal to n value is 7 by 2 into 2a, a value we don't know, plus 7, 7 minus 1 into d. d value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ? d value ಅನ್ನ minus 20, right? d value is minus 2. 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6 into minus 20, right? Now, 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus into minus minus 6 into 20, that is 120. Transfer the 7 to this side. 700 divided by 7 is equal to, here 2 is common, so 2 divided by 2 into a minus 60. A minus 60 will remain in the bracket. 2 into 60 is 120, right? 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 7 1s are 0 0. So 100 is equal to a minus 60, right? 100 is equal to a minus 60. Now transfer the 60 to this side. A is equal to 100 plus 60. So a value is 160. Understood? A value is 160. ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ? First price is 160. Why? Because we considered first price as A, right? A value ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಯ್ತು. So first price is 160. So wait, first I will erase it. Don't get confused. So first price is 160, right? 160. Then value of each price we want. So second price ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? A minus 20. So 160 minus 20. That's equal to 140, right? Next, third price. Third price is equal to 140 minus 20. 120. Fourth price is 120 minus 20. That is 100. Fifth price, 100 minus 20. 80. Sixth price, 80 minus 20. That's equal to 60. Seventh price, 60 minus 20. That's equal to 40. So rupees 40, rupees 60, rupees 80, rupees 100, rupees 120, rupees 140. And this is rupees 160. So these are the values of each price. First price is 160 rupees, second price is 140, 120, 180, 60, 40. Right? So 7 prices. Understood? If you do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲಾ ಇದನ್ನ? Sum of 700 means S7. Sn value they have given is used to give 7 prices. 7 prices means n value is equal to 7. N value is 7. Sn value is 700. Prices to the two students of a school for their overall academic performance. Each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. First term will consider, first prize, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು prize ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? So first prize will consider it as A. second is a minus 20, third is a minus 40. So D is a2 minus a1, a minus 20 minus a and a will get cancelled, minus 20. So D value is minus 20, a value we don't know, right? We need to find out the value of a. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Sn value is 700, n value is 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 into D value is minus 20, right? 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1, that is 6 into minus 20. 6 into minus 20 is 120. So here 2 is common. I will take 2 outside and will shift this 7 to this side, divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 1, 0, 0. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 100 is equal to a minus 60. Transfer this 60 to this side. 100 plus 60, that's equal to 160. So first price is rupees 160. Next price in martira minus 20, minus 20, minus 20 marta hogudu, right? So these are 7 prices. 7 prices. This question is for 3 marks, okay? Understood? Shall we move to next question? Next one. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Okay, first 40 integers divisible by 6. That means, in marbeku, first 40 integers divisible by 6 andre multiples of 6 yaud baratte anta nodana. Solution 6, 12, 18, 24. These all are the multiples of 6, right? Namgen beku sum of first 40 positive integers. That means a is equal to 6, d is equal to 12 minus 6. That's equal to 6. In kottidare namge en kelidare sum of first 40 positive means yes 40 we want. Yes, 40 we need to find out, right? Find the sum of first 40 positive integers. Yes, 40 namge gottilla. But n gottide. N value is 40. This is the value of n. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn value, S40 is equal to 40 divided by 2. 2 into a value is 6 plus n minus 1. N is 40 minus 1 into 6. 2 ones are 2 2s are 20. 2 6 are 12 plus 40 minus 1, that is 39 into 6. 20 12 plus 39 into 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? So 234, right? 234 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 20 into 12 plus 234 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 212 ಅಲ್ಲ, 234, 244 plus 2, 246, right? 20 into 246. Answer is 12, 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 2s are, that is 4920. This is the value of S40. 4920, right? Understood? Understood? Yes, another question is there. See here, a value we don't know, right? D value is minus 3, n value is 18, an value is minus 5. Okay. So an is equal to what we want? We want a value, right? An gottide namge simple problem. A gottilla, D is minus 3, n is 18, an is minus 5. So ಯಾವ formula use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Here we need to use an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. an is minus 5, a plus n minus 1 into d. D is minus 3. Minus 5 is equal to a plus 17 into minus 3. That is minus 5 is equal to a plus into minus 17. 3 is a 51. Transfer this 51 to this side. Minus 5 plus 51 is equal to a. 46 is equal to a. That is 46. So we'll solve another problem. Okay. Wait for a minute. ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. So we'll solve another problem. Wait for a minute. Yes. So this is this question is also for 3 marks. See here, they have given A3 is equal to 15. This is there in your exercise. A3 is equal to 15. Okay. And S10 is equal to 125. Okay. A3 is equal to 15. S10 is equal to 125. Find D and A10. Right? Find D and A10. See, this is interesting problem. Why? Because A3 they have given, S10 they have given. We need to find out D and A10. ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? So solution. A3 is equal to 15 means n value is 3, an value is 15, right? So we'll use an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? An value is 15 is equal to a plus n value is 3 minus 1 into d. 15 is equal to a plus 2d, right? 15 is equal to a plus 2d. Call this as equation number 1. Next ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? S10 is equal to 125. S10 is equal to 125 means n value is 10 here. Sn value is 125. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Sn value is 125 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2a plus n value is 10, 10 minus 1 into d. Right? 125, 2 ones are 2 fives. 5 into 2a plus 90. Right? We'll transfer this 5 to this side. 125 divided by 5 is equal to 2a plus 90. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 fives are 25. So 2a plus 90 is equal to 25. Now call this as equation number 2. Call this as equation number 2. So now again by using elimination method from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 is a plus 2d is equal to 15. Equation 2 is 2a plus 90 is equal to 25. Right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ equal. For that what I will do? I will multiply this equation by 2. Okay, ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ 2a ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 2 into a, that is 2a plus 2 into 2, 4d is equal to 15 2s are 30. 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Now 2a and 2a will get cancelled. How? I will change this sign. 2a and 2a will get cancelled. 4 minus 9d, that is minus 5d is equal to 5. 30 minus 25, that is 5. So d is equal to 5 divided by minus 5. 5 and 5 will get cancelled. D is equal to minus 1. Right? D is equal to minus 1. Next step in madana. Substitute the value of a into the substitute the value of a. So now we'll use this formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ an value we know, right? And a value, n value they have given, that is 3. n ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, an ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, and d ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So for that reason we are using an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 15, a we don't know, plus n value is 3 minus 1 into minus 1. 15 is equal to a plus 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 into minus 1, that is 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So 15 is equal to a plus into minus minus a minus 2. Transfer this 2 to this side, then a is equal to 15 plus 2. Right? 15 plus 2. A is equal to 17. Right? So d value, we want d value. Find d anta kelidare. D is equal to minus 1 ಆಯ್ತು. A value is 70. By using this a and d, we can find out the value of a10. ಹೇಗೆ? an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. a10, that means 10, n value is 10 here. A value is 17 plus 10 minus 1 into d value is minus 1. Right? A10 is equal to 17 plus 9 into minus 1, that's equal to minus 9, plus into minus minus. So A10 is equal to 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. So this is the value of A10. This question is for 3 marks. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ an ಮತ್ತೆ sn ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A3 and S10 ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Again an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು equation ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next S10 means we need to use Sn formula. Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we will get second equation. From equation 1 and 2, by using elimination method, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. So into 2, 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. So 2 and 2a will get cancelled. 4 minus 9, that means minus 5d will get is equal to 5. Transfer this minus 5 to this side. D is equal to minus 1. Next, again use an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a value is 17. Next, we want a10 value, right? A10 value means n value is 10, d value is minus 1, a value is 17. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ a value ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, right? So a10 is equal to 17 minus 9, that's equal to 8. This is the value of a10, right? And this question is for 3 marks. Yes, understood? Yes, dear children. In arithmetic progression, we have discussed about the general form of arithmetic progression and nth term of arithmetic progression and finding sum of n terms, right? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Last term they have given a plus l. When we know the value of an, then a plus an. Next, we have solved some problems related to SN, right? So these all are for 2-3 home marks questions. Okay, I hope ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Yes, today now I will stop here only. Okay, so ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಏನ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟುಮಾರೋ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. So all the very best, all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye. Good night.